Welcome to the All About Me page. As you can see, in the middle you put a picture of yourself, and then on the outsides there are 4 things that you're going to write about. So, the first one is my birthday. There's a text box under here. All you have to do is click and start typing. So my birthday is October 19th. If you want to change the font, the color, the size of the font, click. Make sure that first your cursor is that little eye shape for text, so I'm not accidentally moving like this. I don't want to be moving around the text box. I want to hover until it turns into this. Click, and now I'm highlighting the text. So I have the text chosen here, and I can change the color if I want to. All right, put in your age, what grade are you, and how tall are you? Now you get to put a picture of yourself. There are a couple ways to do this. The coolest way is just to take a picture right now. If you have a webcam on your computer, I'll show you how to do that. When you're putting in a picture, no matter where it comes from, you always start with the same button, and that's this button. It has mountains on it. It helps me remember that the mountains are for the picture because I do like to take pictures of the mountains all the time. Click on the mountain. And then if you're going to take a picture of yourself right now, go all the way down to camera. And then yours will show you, it should show you yourself right now. And so you can look into it and see how you look. And then just click when you're ready to take a picture. The reason mine isn't working is because I'm already using my camera right now to record this video for you. But give it a try because if you have a webcam, yours will work. Keep in mind, when you click on this, something in the corner should pop up and it will ask you for permission to use your camera. You need to say yes so that it can actually take your picture. If you block it, then it won't let you take your picture. You can take your picture and then insert it when you're ready, and it'll show up right here. Now, let's say that your teacher shared some photos with you in the Google Drive. The way to get those is to click and then click on Drive. This is going to pop up the things that your teacher has shared with you, but you do need to go over to, so 1, 2, to shared with me. Click on that. Mine's at the bottom, and these are photos that my teacher shared with me. I can open them and see some pictures and put them into the slideshow. So you might have this, you might not. You should definitely check with your teacher to see. But if you have photos over here that you can put into your slideshow, you can do that by clicking on Insert, Drive. Okay? So have fun filling out the different boxes and then putting a picture of yourself in the middle.